everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope I was having a great day. It hasn't been the best in BC with all the flooding and such. All the roads are washed away, and so hopefully that will all get straightened out and we'll be able to lift some of the travel restrictions along with the gas rationing. We can only get 30 liters of gas, and we can only travel for essential goods. So we'll see how long that lasts, along with the pandemic still going on. So it hasn't been the best, but we're hoping for a better day. So here we go. We have an unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Loungefly giveaway, brand new from Disney parks. So go ahead and ring the bell, and a like is always appreciated. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Ah, there's Ted. He had a really nice birthday, and he's looking for another year of fun. Alright, so we got that. Another one. Let's just pull it all out. Alright, that's it for that. This is the new Pandora Box, so it's super flat. And if you want any of the, gift bag or anything like that, it's going to cost you $1 more. Before they included it, but now they're charging you for it. So this is the $1 gift bag. So that's the way that is. And there's no tissue paper. You get a receipt, of course. And this is Merry Christmas, Love You Always, Teddy. So this is from Ted, my husband, for Christmas. It's one of my Christmas gifts. And that's the envelope. And they have new font on the Pandora. It's bigger, which is pretty nice. See, they got new...
Oh, yeah.
New Pandora. And then here's the gift bag for $1. And it's just pink inside, but you get no tissue paper anymore. Alright. Okay, but you do get a little box, so that's good. That's a good sign. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Alright, and this is, it looks like the gingerbread. Alright, so let's take a look at this. These are really super hard to see, unfortunately. But Pandora, when they're on YouTube, you can go watch the new collection. It's the holiday collection, and it's pretty cool. They have a Christmas tree, and they have this little guy, which is gingerbread guy. Let's see if he'll come into focus. Let's see here, maybe I can put him. Maybe I can put him like that. And you can kind of get an idea what he looks like. It's a little gingerbread man. And I'm putting together a holiday bracelet, so that should be pretty cool. Alright, so that's the gingerbread guy. And then here's number 2. And what's this one is the Christmas tree. So let's see if I keep it. Okay, let's see if I take it out of the package, but keep it in the box. We'll see if that helps it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So that's the Christmas tree. See if I can put it down. And then kind of get an idea. Yep. Alright, let's see if I can do it again here. Yeah, it's hard because it focuses on your, like on your face. So let's see if I can maybe hold it. Yeah, there we go. I got it kind of held on the side there. And this is like a slider one. See how it has the hole there? Yeah, it still won't focus. Alright. So that's the Christmas tree one. It did focus a little bit, so. And then here's number 3. I am debating about a bracelet, the sparkle one with the adjustment toggle for my holiday bracelet. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, and let's see what this one is. And I'll leave all the description of what these are in case you're interested in getting the holiday collection. Pretty cool. And this one is the Snowman. So let's see if I can do like I did with the Christmas tree. Stick him in the corner. He's got a little red hat, which is cool. Okay, let's see here. So I think I'm going to put these 3 on the bracelet and then get maybe a couple of clips and then the bracelet. So I think that's going to turn out pretty cool. Alright, let's see if I can. Yeah, you can kind of see it has a little red hat, and then on the side there it has the holes for the sliders. And I'm waiting for my Disney stuff to get here, so I have a holiday Mickey, and I'm going to put that like in the middle. And then I'm going to put like a spacer, you know, kind of situate it like that. But do you guys have any holiday bracelets or any bracelets that you're thinking about getting? They have some pretty nice ones. And they are doing a Black Friday sale. So they have a lot of good discounts going on, so I may consider that. We'll see what happens. But those are my 3 charms that I got from Pandora. And I did get 10% off. So that does help a little bit. It helps with, there's no shipping, so that makes it nice. But it does help with the payments. But these are all the new charms. We have the Christmas tree, the snowman, and the gingerbread man. So he's pretty cool. Alright, and I'll take a picture and I'll put it on Instagram. So make sure you follow me at susansrstyle. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and stay safe. Bye now.